Hi children, how are you? Hope all of you are safe and sound. Do you remember the last class? What all things we had learned? Yes, numbers and number names from 11 to 29. Very good. One more thing we have learned. Identify the numbers from 11 to 29. So today we are going to learn how to identify the numbers from 30 to 59 and how to read and write numbers and number names up to 59. So what all things we are going to learn? Identify the numbers from 30 to 59, read and write numbers and number names up to 59. Shall we move on to our class? Yes. So, the last number we had learned is 29. After 29, what is the next number? What comes after 29? Yes, very good. After 29, the next number is 30. 3 tens are 30. 3 tens are 30. Do you remember the spelling of 30? Do you remember the spelling of 30? So, 3 tens are 30 and what is the spelling of 30? T H I R T Y. Very good. 30. After 0, it is 1. 3 remains the same. So, what is the next number? 31. Can you say the spelling of 31? Okay, very good. T H I R T Y. 30. And what is the spelling of 1? O-N-E. 1. And what about the next number? After 31, the next number is 32. What is the spelling of 30? T-H-I-R-T-Y. 30. What is the spelling of 2? T-W-O. Very good. Spelling of 2 is T-W-O. 2. So, 30, 31, 32. After 32, what is the next number after 32? Yes, 33. Can you say the spelling of 33? 30 you know, right? What is the spelling of 33? Can you tell me? What is the spelling of 33? T H I R T Y. 30. 30 remains the same, only change in 3. T H R E E. 33. Okay, after 33, what is the next number after 33? 34. 34. Can you say the spelling of 34? 30 remains the same, only change in 4. So, T-H-I-R-T-Y. 30. F-O-U-R. 4. So, 34. After 34, what comes next? 35. Very good. After 34, the next number is 35. T-H-I-R-T-Y. 30. What is the spelling of 5? F-I-V-E. 5. Very good. After 35, 5 becomes 6. 3 remains the same. So, what is the spelling of 36? Here you can see 30 remains the same, only change in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 36. T-H-I-R-T-Y. 30. And what about 6? Yes, I-X. 6. After 36, what is the next number after 36? What comes next? 37. After 36, the next number is 37. Can you write your spelling? Can you write the spelling of 37? Can you do it yourself? Yes. So, can you say along with me? T H I R T Y 30. Okay. S E V E N 7. Very good. So 37. And what about 38? Can you tell me the spelling of 38? T H I R T Y. Okay, 38. What is the spelling of 8? E I G H T. Very good. So T H I R T Y 30. E I G H T 8. After 38, what comes next? 39. T H I R T Y 30 N I N E 9. So we had learned the spelling of 30 to 39. So what is the spelling of 30? T H I R T Y 30. Next 31, only change in ONE 1. Next 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, after 37, 38 and last 39. What is the spelling of 39? T H I R T Y 30 and N I N E 39. Hope all of you understood the number names from 30 to 39. So what is the first number? 30, after 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. After 34, what comes next? 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Okay, very good. Now, shall we do one activity? Yes. So, you can see some numbers are hiding inside the circle. No? You can see some numbers inside the circle. So, we want to identify the numbers that is hiding inside the circle. Identify the numbers from 30 to 39 that is hiding inside the circle. Are you ready to find it out? Yes, come on. We can find the numbers from 30 to 39. Look at the numbers carefully and identify yourself the numbers from 30 to 39. Check the numbers. Yes, so you can see 4 numbers are hiding inside the circle. Can you say which are the numbers hiding there? Yes, very good. 39, 33, 34 and 37 are hiding inside the circle. Okay, very good. So, you hope all of you understood how to identify the numbers from 30 to 39. So, next we are going to learn the numbers and number names from 40 to 49. Are you ready? Yes. So, after 39, what comes next? Yes, very good. 40. 4 tens are 40. After 39, the next number is 40. 4 tens are 40. Now, can you tell me the spelling of 40? You have already learned the spelling, no? What is the spelling of 40? F. Okay, very good. F O R T Y. Very good. 40. Remember children, there is no U. F O R T Y. Don't forget, it is F, not F O U R T Y. It is only F O R T Y. So please keep this number in your mind. The spelling is F O R T Y. Okay. After 40, what is the next number? 41. Can you say the spelling of 41? F O R T Y 40. And what about 1? O N E 1. Okay, 41. After 41, what is the next number? 42. F O RTY 40. What about 2? TWO 42. After 42, what comes next? 43. FORTY 40. What is the spelling of 3? T. Okay, THREE 3. Okay, very good. After 43, what comes next? 44. Can you say the spelling of 44 yourself? FORTY 40. And what about the spelling of 4? FOUR. Very good. So, FORTY 40. And what is spelling of 4? FOUR 4. After 44, what comes next? After 44. Yes, very good. 45. What is the spelling of 40? FORTY 40. What is the spelling of 5? FIV. So, FORTY 40. FIVE 5. Next, after 45, what is the next number after 45? 5 becomes 6.4 remains the same. FORTY 40. And what about 6? SIX 6. Okay, now can you do the write the numbers from 47 to 49 yourself? Take one paper and write the numbers from 47 to 49 yourself. Okay, after 46, what is the next number? 47. 47, after 47, 48. And last 49. Can you write your spelling yourself? 40 remains the same, only changes in 7, 8 and 9. You have already learned the spellings of 7, 8 and 9. So, can you do along with us? So, what is the spelling of 40? FORTY 40. And what is the spelling of 7? SEVEN 7. Okay, next after 47, what is the next number? 48. What is the spelling of 40? FORTY 40. And what is the spelling of 8? EIGHT 8. Now the last one, 49. What is the spelling of 40? FORTY 40. And what is the spelling of 9? NINE 9. So, we had learned the numbers from 40 to 49. So, 40. After 40, what is the next number? 41. After 41, 42. Remember children, the spelling of 40 is FORTY, not FOUR. It is FORTY. 45. After 45, 46, 47, 48 and 49. Only changes in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So, let's move on to an activity. So, you can see some numbers on the slide. We want to match the numbers. So, you can already see some numbers on the screen. So, which are the numbers you can see there? 41. What is the next number you can see? 47. Okay, 40 and 44. And the spellings are given on the side. So, 40, first spelling is 44, the next spelling is 40, next one is 47 and the last one is the spelling of 41. So, we want to match the correct pair. So, you can see the numbers again on the board. So, 41, 47, 40 and 44. We have 4 numbers and the spellings. We want to match the correct pair. So, what is the first number? 41. What is the spelling of 40? FORTY 40. And what is the spelling of 1? ONE 1. Can you find 41 here? Yes, FORTY 40. only 1. So we want to match 41. Next we can see, what is the next number? 47. The spelling of 40 is F-O-R-T-Y, and what about 7? S-E-V-E-N. Very good. So, can you see 47 here? This is 44, this is 40 and this is 47. So, we can match these. Next 40. What is the spelling of 40? F-O-R-T-Y. Very good. F-O-R-T-Y. 40. Sorry, F-O-R-T-Y. 40. What is the next number we have? 44. So, F-O-R-T-Y 40, F-O-U-R 4. So, we have matched the 4 numbers given in the blackboard. Hope all of you understand how to write the numbers and number names from 40 to 49. Shall we do one activity? Yes, very good. Are you ready to do that one? Yes or no? Yes. So, this time you want to write the numbers and number names yourself. Which are the numbers you want to write? 50 to 59. You want to write the numbers and number names yourself. So, we had learned the last number 49. After 49, what is the next number? 50. 5 tens are 50. Now, we are going to do one activity. Are you ready? Yes. So, you can see the numbers from 50 to 59 on the board, and the number names are not given in the correct order. So, we want to make it in the correct order. Are you ready? Yes. So, look at the numbers. What is the last number? We had learned 49, and the next number is 50. 5 tens are 50. Okay, the spelling of 50 is given in the correct order. What is the spelling of 50? F-I-F-T-Y, 50. And one more, 51, F-I-F-50 and O-N-E-1. It is already done. We want to stick the correct number names in the correct space. So, shall we do together? Yes. So, what is the next number after 52? Sorry, after 51, what is the next number? 52. Can you see 52 here? All numbers are begin with 50. We want to search only 2, no? So, this is 9, this is 4, this is 3 and this is 2. So, we just take this 2 from here and we want to stick the 52. So, what is the spelling of 52? F-I-F-T-Y 50 and T-W-O 252. After 52, what is the next number after 52? After 52, what is the next number? 53. Can you find 53? This is 59. This is 54. This is 53. Okay, we got 53 from here. So, this is 53. We want to take this one and we want to stick here. So, this is 53. After 53, what is the next number after 53? What is the next number after 53? 54. You have to find 54 from here. So, next one is 54. This is 59. Yes, F-I-F-T-Y and F-O-U-R 4. So, this is the number name for 54. We want to stick in the correct place. So, this is 54. F-I-F-T-Y and F-O-U-R 54. F-O-U-R 4. After 54, what comes next? 55. Can you find 55 here? This is 59, this is 55. F-I-F-T-Y 50, F-I-V-5. So, we want to take the number name from here and we want to stick in the correct place. So, this is 55. After 55, what is the next number? 56. What is the spelling of 50? F-I-F-T-Y 50, and what is the spelling of 6? S-I-X, 6. So this is 59, this is 58 and this is 56. Very good. So we found 56 from here. So this is 56. Next we have 3 more numbers with us. We want to find the spelling of 57. So this is 58, this is 59 and this is 57. So we want to find out 57. So F-I-F-T-Y-S-E-V-E-N, 7. So we pick the 57 from here and stick it in the correct place. So this is 57. Now 58 is in the correct place, right? Yes. So what is the spelling of 58? F-I-F-T-Y, 50. And what is the spelling of 8? E-I-G-H-T, 8. Now what is the next number? 59. It is also in the correct place, right? So F-I-F-T-Y, 50 and N-I-N-E, 9. So hope all of you understand how to write the numbers and number names from 50 to 59. So what is the first number? 50, 5 tens are 50, after 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, after 56, 57, 58, 59. So we had learned the numbers from yes, 30 to 59. So there is one worksheet for you. Write in figures. Figures means you want to write the numbers. So one is written for you, that is 50, F-I-F-T-Y, 50. The number is given there. What is the next one? 31. You want to complete the rest of the worksheet. Okay. So what all things we had learned? So my dear children, what all things we had learned? Yes, numbers from 30 to 59. You know how to read and write the numbers and number names from 50 to 59. And one more thing we had learned. What is that one? Yes, identification of numbers. Hope all of you enjoy this activity and have a nice day. Bye.